It's Devlog time!
Wait, you don't recognize my voice? Ha! It is I, the partner in crime that Bram was talking about. And this week, you're stuck with my sweet and buttery voice. A lot has happened, and I'm here to give you guys an update. First and foremost, it's been an exciting week. Bram and I have been debating whether or not we really should do this project and upload all of this stuff to YouTube. But since you're watching this video, you already know that we went ahead with the plan. We've launched the official Twitter account, which will be linked in the description down below, and we've uploaded our first YouTube video. This has only been giving us more motivation and energy to dive into the game development. And as said last time, we are absolute beginners. And we will probably suck major nudes. So don't hesitate to leave behind some tips in the comment section. A second announcement that we have to make is our usage of Trello. For those of you who don't know what Trello is, it is a scheduling board where you can plan tasks and see the development of the game. Right now, this is how our board looks like. Now onto the development of Lyra. I have suddenly improved a lot in my pixel art. I'm not stating that I'm good, I'm just saying I'm not shit anymore. And that's why I've been mainly taking care of creating the new sprites and tiles. Also, I've been taking care of the art outside of the game development sphere. Bram, in the meantime, has been enhancing his Stack Overflow copy-pasting skills, which is, as you know, always important. I've been keeping myself busy with a basic planes rework, if you can even call what we had before reworkable. I've also made the tiles that go from planes to thicket. For you non-English pricks out there who don't know what thicket means.
Thicket. Now, a dense group of bushes and trees.
The second tile set that I've created goes from thicket to forest tiles. And lastly, I've also thrown in a cheeky little inner wall. Some other art that is also very important but not really gameplay related is the creation of this pop-pin logo, an exquisite looking banner, and an astonishing font. At the end of the last Devlog, Bram gave a max distance to a character to travel. But you know, that was just for show. Ha, got you there. It didn't actually work. This week, he fixed that part, at least. Well, he fixed it kinda. No, actually, he didn't really fix it at all. Lazy fuck. He's also been trying, but failing miserably, to add custom properties to tiles, such as a swamp tile where your movement is impaired, or a forest tile where you can hide behind some trees to dodge an attack. So, that wraps up number 2 of our little Devlog series. Steady improvements, but still kinda garbage. But that's just how life is, you know. It heats some mountains in your path that you try to climb. Then you fall down a couple, but you keep on trying to climb that mountain because you're an absolute donkey. But in the end, you're still doing better than most other peasants since you're actually trying. Positive vibes here. For the next week, I smell a little rework incoming. But that's just how it is sometimes. You program something, work on it for weeks, realize it could have been done in a much cleaner way, and you just throw it all away. All jokes aside, next week we will try to get a basic control system working so we can use multiple characters. I'll also be making major improvements to the current disgusting piece of character. Thank you all for watching this video. We hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button with your face and hit the bell to get some juicy notifications. And again, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, because the algorithm hasn't shown us any love yet. Bye!